लॉन्ग टर्म वेल्थ क्रिएशन इस देश में कैसा दिख रहा है आपको? आर वी ऑन द राइट ट्रैक?
No, we are, I think, on the right track. I think we as a country are hitting our youth. Maybe a tad later than we could have, but ठीक है, there I दुरुस्त है. If we don't lose the plot, the outlooks can be very good. I think there is a new degree of self-confidence which is there. The way we are positioned today with $560 billion of forex, when everybody else around us are struggling for forex, says something. A lot of the other countries started life similar period to ours. We are doing a few things very right. The fact that one country is wanting to be the biggest superpower globally in competition to the existing global superpower again opens up. Nobody likes change in hierarchies and all of that. So there is a skirmish going on. I think we again benefit as a consequence of that. Need to put our head down, focus on what we are doing well, learn a few new things, do them well over time, and I think we have a great future. So we always wanted to keep doing what we have always done. Now we are at the forefront. बोले आप EV vehicle हमारे यहाँ होगा, solar power हमारे यहाँ होगी, and we take up. So this is a huge welcome. Hydrogen, जिसकी टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है, we said there is a mission which is there and driven by private sector, also participated by public sector, and they are thinking about how they can do. It's an amazing new thing that you are seeing. अगर नहीं है तो जाके कहीं से खरीद लेंगे, किसी को खरीद लेंगे तो आपके पास टेक्नोलॉजी आ जाएगी, नहीं तो पार्टनरशिप कर लेंगे. Whole energy which says कि we can do it, we will do it, is a huge change. Maybe it happened in the past, so as well, maybe we were not as well off as we are now in terms of per capita. हो सकता है, पर आज के दिन we are seeing that. I mean, the way that you order something and it comes in half an hour probably doesn't happen elsewhere in the world.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं.
I really believe future is here. Future is here. This is the last big growth story in the world. Happening in a measured manner. अगर आप 15% ग्रोथ एक साल कर दोगे ना, 5-6 साल कर दोगे तो ग्रोथ स्टोरी खत्म हो जाती है. ये एक कंट्री है जहाँ पे मेजर्ड ग्रोथ चल रही है. Okay, so even if you are late in identifying something, once you get in, still you have few years of growth ahead of you, which can paper over some of the mistakes, not all, but some of the mistakes. So बहुत high growth will just make it spike like this. So आप कैसे invest करोगे उसमें? Here it continues for a long time. So बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत अच्छी हैं. I think never been so hopeful of the country as now.
On that most optimistic note, that you've never been more hopeful than this present moment, and I really like this one word that you've used of measured growth, not just seriously 15% and then you taper off. So आप कह रहे हो measured growth, per capita income of अगर $10,000 हो गया, that means India would probably $10,000 हो जाए, $10,000 पे मतलब 10 billion will probably be around a $10 trillion economy in about a decade for us to be at $10,000. So which is
150 करोड़ हो जाएगी जनसंख्या. $10,000 से कर लो तो it will be 15 trillion kind of
15 trillion actually, $15 trillion.
Which so I think we will be second, most probably, keep fingers crossed, second, third largest economy globally. So इसीलिए मैंने उसको उस तरीके से नहीं लिया. We are already sixth. अभी sixth देखें इधर दोनों तरफ तो we just becoming so large so quickly. But boss हमारे यहाँ गरीब लोग हैं.
Absolutely.
They need well-being as well. हमारे तो जो middle class is also poor.
है,
they need well-being, better well-being as well. So we have a very long runway of growth.
10,000 is the right number on per capita, and that's when we start becoming seriously important to the world. And within that, you explained the entire Motilal way of thinking. And some of it was quite remarkable. And I've just picked up so many different nuances, chote nuances, but very important in the sense that portfolio managers का freedom उनको मिल रहा है, and yet they are within narrow themes. I think the definition of narrow themes, etc., and your ability to say that you have your freedom, but there is also a focus on certain themes. I'm sure all of this is adding tremendous value to the portfolios, and I for one will.
अगर मजाक पे बात करूं तो गडरिये का काम है वो एक तरफ लेके चलो
but देखिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम वही है and also इस केस में क्या है कि millions of investors are actually expecting that also, so
which was the start point? I said was people gave money for the house, not for an individual, and if we are not able to bring the power of the house to the individual, so then we are not doing justice. So have processes which ultimately empower the manager with lot more than what he is himself able to.
Yeah, no, I think that's a fair point. And with the fact that the house in itself is, you're absolutely right. I mean, it's known for what it does best, which is equities, focus around quality and growth. So wishing you, Prateek, and the entire team tremendous amount of fun and joy in building this out as you spend more time here. And I'm looking forward to speaking to you very soon again, just as a follow-up very, very soon to see how the Getaria is shaping up.
Chalo, okay. Looking forward. All the best. Bye.
Thank you.